Just left work. There's my tiny trunk, just big enough for the Lopro bag. I know, dude. Let's get the mail. Jank that mailbox. It's the RDQ box. That's crazy shit. What's this? Brandy left. She's leaving me. Monster, come on. Oh shit. Whoa. Oh, that's a nice piece of foam. Oh, my back. What the fuck is that? Oh shit. Is this like a blind box for... Oh shit! Ethics custom needle file, QX7 RF board, TBS fidget spinner. TBS invented the fidget spinner. A lot of people don't know that. Oh, camera guts. Dude, that's a fucking Cyclops in there. All the fucking flight controllers I could ever want to cannibalize. This is my GoPro Jello free setup. When in doubt, balls out. The best foam. Original Fat Shark cam. A fucking FPV watch, dude. That's awesome. Magic globe. Yeah. I don't know. Let's have a look here. Oh, I got one of the aliens too. Alright, this be... And... HQ prop. Alright. Let's do it. There's literally... shit still in my hood. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I know, Battles. I know. Ah! More rubber bands just rolling out. Oh, there's another one. Spill everywhere. I have a vacuum cleaner. That's not glitter. Challenge accepted. Yeah, Battles. Yeah. Yeah. This one can be for all. All Battles. All Battles. Definitely worth all the excitement leading up to coming home. This is awesome. Probably spend the evening trying to figure this little guy out and finishing my RoboCat.